Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do the accidentals from grade 1. So let's find out what we can do it here. So accidentals are signs that are put just before a note to tell musician to change the pitch, high or low a sound is. The type of sign you show how to change it. Okay, so let's find out. So you can see the first they have given the flat as an accidental, and this is a sign for it. So you can see this is a B. So from B to B flat. So pit goes down. So you have to put B there in front of that. This sign here. Next, to make it sharp, to raise your pitch, you have to put a sharp sign. This is what it is. So you can see from F to F sharp, you have to put this signature here. Okay. To make it natural from flat or from the sharp, this is a natural times accidental. So you can see if you want to from flat to make it natural, that means you have to go up. To make it natural, you put this, or from sharp to get it down, you have to make it natural, you put this signature. Okay. You can see some of the examples here. An accidental lasts until another one on exactly the same line or space cancels it, or until the next bar line. So that means this will continue, like you can see over here is given there, this continues here as well until they have broken here, they have added an accidental here. Okay, otherwise this signature will accidental will carry on till the whole bar ends. Okay, because there is no bar in this one, but here you can see there is a bar. So once the bar finishes, it will finish, then it goes back to the natural condition. Okay, so it stays only for a bar. Let's move to the next. So they have given how to make it, so you can just do this question on your own. Very simple one. Write a flat or every space and a sharp on every line. Okay, so it's just that. So in the line you put sharp, so just put easy. This is what you have to do. And every space they're saying put a flat, so just put a flat on every space. Okay, next write flat just before these notes, so you can just write. Then you have to rewrite the note. This is your treble clef, this is your E, so this is your E flat, that is your E, F, G, F, G, A, so this is your A flat, this is your D flat, this is your A flat. Okay, next write a sharp, so you can write a sharp in front of these and then write. So this is treble clef again, so this is your A sharp, this is your C, this is your B, B sharp, this is your D sharp, that's your F sharp. Let's come next. Write a natural just before, so let's put this natural sign there. So this is bass clef, so this is your C natural, that's your A natural, this is your E natural, and this is your E natural again. Okay, next we have flatten each middle note below, then return it to its original pitch. Okay, so what we have to do is, you can see the example here, we have to put the center one into flat and then make them back to natural. Make this one flat and make it back to natural. This one as well flat, then make it natural. Okay, next one. So middle note, sharpen the middle note, then return back to original. Okay, so you can see the example here. We'll make this sharp and give it back to natural, sharp and back to natural. to natural. Okay, so here we finish about the accidentals. If you have any question related to this, do let me know in the comment section, and please like, share and subscribe as much as you can, so I can help you getting more videos regarding the music theory. Okay, so now I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.